Hi, this video focuses on the ah sound. Ah is a back vowel sound where the lips are rounded. The tip of the tongue is relaxed and touching behind the lower front teeth for all vowel sounds. To make the ah sound, you need to release the back of your tongue and bring your lip corners slightly forward like this. Ah. Good. Now let's try the ah sound together and in a few words and sentences. Here we go. Ought, thought, hawk, salt, launch, exhaustion, and a few sentences. The automatic faucet was faulty. He thought his daughter would become an author. Keep up your practice on English Central and good luck!